Hello and welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, we can have a quick look at how you can swap one crypto for another using a crypto wallet, and we'll also have a quick look at crypto ATMs. So, crypto wallet swaps. To be precise, this is a method of swapping, hence the name, one cryptocurrency or token for another. The swap process is very similar to that of a DEX, but you use functionality built into your crypto wallet to perform the swap. You simply select the swap option in your wallet if it's offered by that wallet, and then you choose the token you wish to swap and the token you wish to receive. MetaMask is one wallet which offers swaps, and there are many others. In general, what the wallet actually does is perform a DEX trade on your behalf. So you don't need to mess about going to DEX websites, setting slippage levels, and making trades. You can just make a swap from within your own wallet. Please keep in mind, if you do use a crypto wallet's built-in swap functionality, the chances are that the fees you will pay will be quite a bit higher than at a centralized or decentralized exchange. But it can be very quick, easy, and simple to do a wallet swap. Okay, what about Bitcoin ATMs? Well, an easy way to buy and sometimes sell cryptocurrency is at a crypto ATM, also known as a Bitcoin ATM or a BATM for short. You will find these machines in most large towns and cities. A Google Maps search for Bitcoin ATMs will bring up a list of those machines closest to your location. A crypto ATM is a machine that will accept cash from you and in return will transfer cryptocurrency to your crypto wallet. Generally, all these machines trade Bitcoin, but most of them will also deal with Ethereum and some of the other more popular cryptocurrencies. The regulations that crypto ATMs have to adhere to will of course be different in different legal jurisdictions. So depending on the regulations where you live, you may need to register with the ATM operator and provide some ID to open an account. Alternatively, you may be able to perform a completely anonymous transaction if the amount of money being traded falls below a specific limit. In order to use a crypto ATM, you will need to learn how to get the QR code that is associated with your wallet ID. A QR code, or quick response code, functions in much the same way that a barcode does. It can be quickly scanned by a camera and transfer information to be used by a computer program. If you've eaten at a restaurant during the COVID epidemic, then you may well have had to scan a QR code with your mobile phone to access the restaurant's menu online. So I'm sure QR codes will be familiar to many of you. As an example, if you want to see the QR code associated with your MetaMask Ethereum account, then open your MetaMask wallet, click the three dots to the right of your account name and wallet address, and choose the account details option. You should now see something like this displayed on the screen. To purchase cryptocurrency from a crypto ATM, you will need to have a copy of your wallet's QR code for the machine to scan. If you use a crypto wallet on your smartphone, then it's easy to get your QR code when you need it. If you use wallet software on your computer, then you may need to take a photo of your wallet QR code to scan when you're at the crypto ATM. Now, following is a general overview of how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency with a crypto ATM. But as there are multiple models of ATM in the market, then these processes may differ from machine to machine. In order to buy crypto for a crypto ATM, the general process will be that you select the cryptocurrency you want to buy from the ATM's touchscreen menu, enter your cash into the bill acceptor of the ATM, scan your wallet QR code, confirm the transaction details, and then wait for the ATM software to send your crypto via the blockchain. And remember, if you're buying Bitcoin, it can take up to 30 minutes for that transaction to complete. Some crypto ATMs, but not all, will also allow you to sell your cryptocurrency and receive cash back directly from the machine. In this case, the general process will be that you transfer the cryptocurrency you want to sell to the machine's wallet. The machine will tell you what wallet address to use. You will then receive a transaction code or a printed receipt from the machine with a QR code. You wait for your transaction to complete on the blockchain. Then you enter your transaction code or scan the receipt given to you into the ATM or even another ATM operated by the same ATM operator. You don't necessarily have to go back to the same ATM machine all the time to receive your cash. Generally, the price you will pay or receive for cryptocurrency at a crypto ATM is not as good as the price you will get from a crypto exchange. ATM operators generally charge anywhere from 5% to 15% of the sum you're trading as a fee. It's just the same as a foreign exchange desk at an airport. The price you end up getting is not the true market price. It's the market price with a margin added onto it. Now let's have a quick discussion about Bitcoin ATM scams and security. You should practice the same basic safety steps when using a crypto ATM as you do when using a regular bank ATM. Please make sure you're in a safe location and there's nobody suspicious in your immediate vicinity. Let's have a little test because I recently saw an interesting article about a crypto ATM scam and I'd like to bounce it off you and test your awareness. Let's assume that you want to sell some Bitcoin to the ATM and receive cash back in return. You arrive at the ATM and see that there is a professionally made sign with the ATM operator's logo and contact information on the ATM all located close to it. And the sign says, "Due to a temporary technical issue, please transfer your Bitcoin to the Bitcoin address printed below, and not to the Bitcoin wallet address given to you by our ATM itself. You will receive your cash payout once the transfer has completed on the blockchain. If you have any questions, please give us a call at this number." Please take a minute and think about this situation and consider what you should do. Pause the video right now and think if you should continue with this transaction. Okay. If you believe that you should not transfer Bitcoin to the address on the sign, then you would be absolutely correct. This very low-tech, easy-to-execute scam has been seen recently in multiple locations where Bitcoin ATMs are operated. Now, if you considered calling the ATM operator to ask their advice on what to do, then that's a good idea. However, please do not use the contact information on the sign itself, as you may find yourself talking directly with the scammers and not the ATM operator. Should you have any doubts when using a crypto ATM, then make a Google search for the contact details of the ATM operator and contact them directly with your questions. Don't use the number on the machine. And once again, don't live in terror of such things happening. These scam attempts are actually quite easy to detect and protect yourself against, with a little common sense and by taking some simple precautions. Well, okay, that's it for this lesson. As usual, if anything is unclear, please rewatch this lesson or reach out to me on Discord with your questions. Thanks for your time, and when you're ready, I will see you in the next lesson.